Let's talk about a number so big it's hard to even imagine. $4 trillion. On July 30th, 2025, Microsoft's value soared past this milestone, a signal that the world is changing before our eyes. This isn't the same Microsoft that put a computer on every desk. This is a new Microsoft, reimagined and reborn. Reaching $4 trillion is proof of a massive, successful pivot. A company choosing to build the future, not just participate in it. This achievement puts Microsoft in an exclusive club, forcing us to ask, how did they do it and what does it mean for us? $4 trillion is more than the economy of most countries, a figure that speaks to immense global trust. Investors believe Microsoft's strategy will lead for years to come. This isn't just about selling software anymore. It's about providing the digital electricity powering the next generation of business, science, and creativity. The biggest changes often happen quietly, until they're too big to ignore. Why should you care? Because this story is about more than a stock price. It's about the future of work, communication, and creativity. The technologies that propelled Microsoft are now showing up in your office, your doctor's clinic, and your local stores. Understanding this journey helps you see where the world is heading. It's about being prepared, informed, and maybe even inspired. This isn't just Microsoft's story. It's a chapter in our collective story, and it's just getting started. What's behind Microsoft's incredible success? Two forces, the cloud and artificial intelligence. Think of them as twin engines, each making the other stronger and pushing Microsoft to new heights. The cloud is like a giant computer anyone can rent, a game changer making powerful computing accessible for all. Microsoft's cloud platform, Azure, is the digital foundation where companies build, run, and store data securely. But the cloud is more than storage. It's about immense computing power on demand. Imagine a small business scaling up instantly during a surge in online orders. That's the cloud's flexibility. Now add the second engine, AI. Microsoft has been a leader, especially through its partnership with OpenAI. Microsoft didn't just invest in AI, it integrated it everywhere, making world-class AI tools available to all through Azure. This means any developer or business can build smart applications. No PhD required. The cloud provides the power and data. AI provides the intelligence. It's a perfect symbiotic relationship. AI needs massive data and computing power, which the cloud delivers. In return, AI makes the cloud smarter. This fusion has completely remade Microsoft and is now remaking our world. CEO Satya Nadella calls cloud and AI the driving force of business transformation. It's not one or the other, it's the powerful fusion that's changing everything. The cloud isn't just an abstract concept, it's everywhere in your daily life. Streaming a movie, storing health records, or shopping online, that's the cloud at work. Microsoft's Azure is the invisible backbone for countless industries, growing every day. In retail, Azure helps companies analyze sales in real time and personalize shopping. In manufacturing, cloud-connected sensors predict machine failures, saving millions. Healthcare uses Azure to analyze genetic data and accelerate new treatments. The cloud breaks down barriers, letting expertise and data flow where needed most. Even agriculture is transformed. Farmers use cloud data to boost harvests and reduce waste. From cars to banks, Microsoft's cloud is an essential, unseen part of progress. It's not just for tech companies, it's for everyone. If the cloud is the stage, AI is the star. And Microsoft's biggest star is Copilot. Copilot is a smart assistant built into Microsoft software like Word, Excel, and Outlook. It helps you be more creative and productive, drafting outlines, analyzing data, and creating charts in seconds. Instead of tedious tasks, you focus on strategy and creativity. Copilot doesn't replace human skill, it enhances it. Over 100 million people now use Copilot every month, proof that AI is for everyone, not just programmers. By embedding AI into familiar tools, Microsoft made powerful technology accessible to millions. Most businesses already use Microsoft Office. Copilot is a massive upgrade, not a new system. This drives huge adoption and fuels Microsoft's explosive growth. The strategy is simple: meet people where they are and make technology easy to use. Copilot is turning the promise of AI into a practical, everyday reality. It's a deep understanding of what customers need. Technology that solves real problems. Copilot is making AI real for everyone. Microsoft's recent financial results are staggering. In the final quarter of 2025, revenue hit $76.40 billion, an 18% jump from last year. The Intelligent Cloud division, including Azure, brought in $29.80 billion, more than many companies make in a year. Azure's annual revenue surpassed $75 billion, up 34% from the previous year. Profits soared, with earnings per share beating analyst expectations. This is what pushed Microsoft over the $4 trillion mark. The demand for cloud and AI isn't just steady, it's accelerating. Years of focused investment and Satya Nadella's vision are paying off. The numbers prove Microsoft's big bets on the future are working. Microsoft's rise to $4 trillion didn't happen in a vacuum. It's part of a fierce race among tech giants. Apple once led, but its recent slump opened the door for others. NVIDIA was first to break the $4 trillion barrier, showing how central AI has become. NVIDIA makes the chips. Microsoft builds the platforms and tools that use them. Google, Microsoft's longtime rival, is also investing heavily in AI and cloud. Alphabet's strong results and $85 billion AI investment show the competition is only heating up. Each company takes a different approach. Microsoft integrates AI into software, Google leverages search and data, NVIDIA focuses on hardware. This rivalry drives faster innovation, better products, and lower prices for everyone. The dynamic between these giants will shape technology for the next decade. Microsoft's strategy is working now, but in this race, there's no finish line. The competition is good for consumers and businesses alike. The future will be defined by how these companies push each other forward. $4 trillion isn't an endpoint for Microsoft. It's fuel for the next phase. The company is doubling down, investing billions to build the infrastructure powering AI's future. Last quarter alone, Microsoft spent $24.2 billion on capital expenditures, building data centers, buying AI chips, and funding R&D. Next quarter, spending will rise to $30 billion. It's a bet that AI demand will keep growing, and Microsoft wants to be ready. These are the digital factories of the 21st century. Analysts predict the real AI explosion is coming in 2026, as enterprises move from experiments to deep integration. Microsoft's investments ensure it can handle this tidal wave of demand. Building the most powerful AI cloud platform creates a moat competitors will struggle to cross. Microsoft isn't just preparing for the future, it's actively constructing it, one data center at a time. This is what separates leaders from followers. A huge part of Microsoft's AI success is its early partnership with OpenAI. Microsoft invested billions, providing OpenAI with the cloud power to train massive AI models. In return, Microsoft gained exclusive rights to integrate OpenAI's tech into its products. This gave Microsoft a head start, rolling out powerful AI features before rivals. The partnership created a feedback loop. OpenAI innovates, Microsoft distributes, both benefit, but it's not without challenges. Recent friction and governance debates have surfaced. Still, this alliance remains central to Microsoft's AI strategy. In today's tech world, even giants need partners to innovate at speed. Microsoft's $4 trillion milestone marks the dawn of the age of AI. The company's transformation is a lesson in vision, adaptation, and empowering others. Cloud and AI are laying a new foundation for our economy and society, like steam engines and electricity once did. Microsoft's role is to provide the tools for innovators everywhere to build a better future. But rapid change brings responsibility. Ethical use and shared benefits must be priorities. The choices Microsoft makes will shape billions of lives. This isn't the end. It's the start of a new chapter, and we're all part of it. The future isn't just something that happens to us, it's something we help build.